Hey everyone, so I'm going to be doing a product review today. Today is going to be about the brand Flesh Beauty. So I had some gift cards that I wanted to use at Ulta Beauty and I wanted to try something new. So I stumbled upon this brand. It was on sale and I figured I would give it a shot. So I tried, right here I have it, the Flesh Beauty. This is the Thick Stick Foundation. So this one is in the shade number 7 and it's called Birthday Cake. So I'm going to show it to you. I am wearing it now. So this is what it looks like. Okay, if I swatch it on my hand, that would be the shade Birthday Cake. So this is the one that I tried. Again, I am wearing it now. I do like it. I don't feel that it is full coverage. You could probably build it up. So it is, I just don't want to wear that much makeup all of the time. So it evens out my skin tone. It's a great base. The rest of my makeup goes on very smoothly after I put it on. So again, it's the Flesh Beauty, the Thick Stick Foundation. They do have a liquid one. I haven't tried that one yet. I do like the price. Regular price, I believe it was $18 at Ulta. It was $9 when I got it, so it was definitely a good purchase and I'm happy I tried it. I do plan on trying more from this brand soon. Send me some comments. Let me know if you guys have tried it. Send me a message. Let me know what you think. If not, it is tagged in my Like to Know It account, so if you follow me already, you know my account is Banannie. You can also search it by typing in the Banannie Diaries. So take a look, see if it's something you're interested in, and I can't wait to hear about it.